Hello everyone, Anthony Seamus, Puppy World, day 171, May 12th, 2011. Here in New Jersey, Warren County, me and the dog. Beautiful day, sun, no rain, just hanging out. Hi Seamus, say hello to everybody, Seamus. Seamus and I are working on being famous. We would also like to thank JODIE LEVINSON for allowing us a song in our next video. Enjoy the video as much as Seamus and I do. Okay, have a good day, May 12th, 2011, day 171. Thank you. Say goodbye, Seamus.
It hasn't rained in quite a while, memory drenched, I can't see you smile. Wet on the roads, wet on the walls, and with your drops you want to change it all. It got comfy here, the habits pile, doing it my way, my time, my style, and you come to call and pluck at my strings when it's little things like drops mean big things. Babe, it's what you bring, like water to the sea. It's the way I think that you believe in me. Rain on the roads, rain on the walls, and with your drops you want to shape it all. Why you chose me, why I was there. Oh, you were lonely, and people need to care, and things build and add, and they carry.
Good birds, Seamus.
'Cause of you, I'm seeing things differently.
Where's your toy?
Don't you know?
Go get your toy, Seamus.
Purple and blue. Don't you know there's rain inside of you? Oh boy, calm down, 'cause I'm ready for your downpour. Come down on me. Come down on me. Baby, it's what you bring, like water to the sea. It's the way I think you believe in me. It's what you're giving, it's more and more, and I'm ready for your downpour. Come down on me now. Come down on me now. Oh, it's what you bring, like water to the sea. It's the way I think you believe in me. It's what you're giving, it's more and more, and I'm ready for your downpour. You're coming down, coming down, coming down on me, down on me, down on me. I'm ready for your downpour.
Seamus, where's your stick? Get your stick. Where's your bone? Get your bone. Come on, Seamus. Get your bone. Where's your bone, Seamus? Got your bone? Seamus. Where's your bone?
It hasn't rained in quite a while. Memory drenched, I can't see you smile. Wet on the roads, wet on the walls, and with your drops you want to change it all. It got comfy here, the habits pile.
Hello everyone, Anthony and Seamus, Puppy World, Day 171, May 12th, 2011. Warren County, New Jersey, beautiful day, no rain, sun. Nothing to do except make puppy videos. Hi Seamus. We almost look alike. Working on being famous, right Seamus? My buddy. We would also like to thank JODIE Levinson for allowing us the song in our next video. Very talented. Got the photographs, meet. We had a nice time. Excellent. Please check her out. Say hello, Seamus.
Why you chose me, why I was there.
Okay everyone, Anthony, Seamus, Puppy World, May 12th, 2011, Day 171. Still making the videos. Enjoy. Right, Seamus, say hello to everybody and say goodbye. Seamus.
Don't you know there's purple in blue? Don't you know there's rain inside of you? Oh boy, calm down, 'cause I'm ready for your downpour. Come down on me. Come down. What you bring, like water to the sea. It's the way I think you believe in me. It's what you're giving. It's more and more, and I'm all ready for your downpour. Come down on me now. Come down on me now. Oh. What you bring.